Doodle, he's on a train trip today. Hello? Huh? Hello? 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 Talk to me! You're going on a train trip? I can't believe it. Goodbye. 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 This train trip is very insane. I'm going to Florida. Yeah, I am. I want to sleep. I'm going to sleep on this train trip casually. Doodle, I'm Arky. I'm gonna miss Arky so much. Oh, I think the train is going too fast. I need to get off. Ugh, my train. It crashed. Let's go look at the incident. Look at that train. It's broken. I'm coming back. Oh, hello. I'm back. Back from looking at that train. Yeah. This train went too fast over like speed limit of 50 and was going like 110. So I have to walk somewhere. Great. Goodbye. I'm walking in the forest. Oh, there you are. Well, it's good to see you when my train crashed. I think that doesn't lead to Florida. Yeah. Impossible. There's an abandoned train there. Let's go. An abandoned train. This is actually cool. We're kind of like near like Florida. So I'm not getting in that train today. Sorry guys. I'm gonna go there to Florida. See you guys. It's Six Flags. I'm going to go there. The roller coaster is about to start pretty soon. No way! I'm going up. I'm going up. Whoa! Oh! Oh!
coaster. It stopped.
Let me get out here. Let me get out here. Thank you for watching Gone Wrong Doodles train trip. Like and subscribe. Goodbye. Goodbye.